Hi, my name is Grace Bott, and this is my presentation on my major career plan and ideas. So I chose to present on a licensed professional counselor. Licensed professional counselors are mental health service providers who work to treat individuals, families, and groups with mental, behavioral, and emotional disorders. Licensed professional counselors are responsible for diagnosing and treating mental and emotional disorders. They use psychoeducational techniques to prevent these disorders. They consult with clients. Through their work, they gather information for research, and they also help people to better themselves and their lives. The education requirements for LPCs. You have to have a bachelor's degree in psychology or another applicable area. You have to have a master's degree specific to counseling professions such as marriage and family therapy or school counselor. And you must become certified by taking an exam from the MBCC. The relation of my education to my four-year plan. My four-year plan is my course lineup per semester per year to receive my Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I'm currently in the beginning classes of my freshman year, even though I'm technically not a freshman quite yet, since I'm just taking concurrent enrollment classes right now. Why am I choosing to major in psychology? I'm choosing to major in psychology because I'm genuinely interested in understanding how other people work and why they think the way they think and why they are the way that they are. And I'm genuinely interested in understanding people and including myself. I also want to have a career where I can help people and where I can devote myself to help fixing what's broken inside people and helping them in that way. And I think I'll be able to do that as a professional psychologist. In chapter 13, a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology was the number one reason why people chose it as a major. Number two was the desire to be a professional psychologist. And then seventh on the list was the desire to figure oneself out. And these are my three main reasons for choosing the psychology major.